Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is an exciting one. It's a new series that I'm starting, the Eyeshadow Showdown. If that sounds like something that you're interested in, stick around.
Hey everyone, Ed and Roddy here. Just wanted to jump on real quick and just let you all know the center of the video itself is there's going to be some parts that it's not centered. I'm still working out the kinks on how to fit everything and all of the other stuff that goes when recording a video. So I apologize ahead of time, and that's my baby that you hear in the background. He thinks he's a puppy. But anyway, okay, I'll let you all continue watching the video.
I'm really excited. Today I'm starting my new series. It's called the Eyeshadow Showdown. Basically what it is, I'm going to be getting two palettes from one brand and comparing them. Every brand, you know, they change the formulation. For example, ColourPop, their collaborations, people say it all the time. Their palettes, when they have collaborations, are amazing, the best of the best. And then you have their weekly releases, and sometimes it's not the best of the best, and it's whatever formula that they choose for that particular release. In this new series, I'm going to be just comparing two different palettes from each brand, and today I am doing the Urban Decay collaboration with Prince. I didn't get the full collection only because I knew I wasn't gonna use everything else. This is what the black palette looks like. Oh, it's so pretty. And this is what the purple palette looks like. If you are new here, thank you for stopping by. My name is Veronica and I am a makeup enthusiast. I like doing reviews. I like putting on makeup in front of the camera and showing you all. If that sounds like something you'd like, please consider subscribing. We'll go ahead and get started, and I want to bring y'all up close and personal so y'all are in my face. Okay, so now that we are down here and I got you nice and close, we're gonna go ahead and get started. I already primed my eyes. This new series is very much inspired by Neon MUA's series. He does a little series, it's called Makeup Battle Royale, I believe. If you don't know him, check him out. If you're not already a fan of his, he's pretty cool. I like him. I'll leave his information down in the description. And as always, everything that I am using today will be down in the description as well. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get started with this palette. It's gonna be on my left side. I think I'm going to start with Love to the Nines to do a transition, and that's right there. I want to incorporate as many colors as I can, but we'll see. And I'm gonna use that as my transition, so I'm just gonna put it right here, right above my crease. Drag it down a little bit to my crease. I don't know if you all saw that, but it kind of just, it was very smooth. I know that a lot of people were skeptical about this, saying like, oh, Prince would never approve of that, and you all, like, we don't know. And if you're a fan, you're a fan, and I truly am a fan. I was really excited when they announced it, so I don't know, we'll see. Okay, so off the bat, you know, if you look at it, you can see there's so many shimmers. I prefer mattes, so there's nothing wrong with it. It's going to be a learning curve for me. So we'll go ahead and start on the outer corner. They used to call it the outer V. I know I've said it before, but if you hear me saying it in this video, if you're new here, that's what we used to call it. I'm gonna pick up this color. It's called The Artist. And I'm gonna do it on a tapered blending brush. I'm gonna put that as the outer corner, lighter than I thought it would be, so that actually works out perfect. So I'm gonna get a less tapered brush and drag it in, and I'm putting it right on my crease. There is fallout, but that may be, oh no, there definitely is fallout if you can see it. I always do my eyes first. I've really always preferred darker colors, so I tend to experience a lot of fallout with blacks and dark purples, and this one kind of is like a combination of both of those colors. So I learned how to do my eyes first. That blended in pretty good. It's a pretty color. It really kind of got like a smoky effect there. Okay, and then I'm going to pick up the color I'm gonna pick up the color So Dark. That now I'm gonna use that as my outer corner. I'm gonna go ahead and get my glitter primer because I really want for the gold that I'm going to use to really pop. So I'm gonna get my glitter primer and do that. And I'm just getting one of those little shader brushes, the tiny ones, and I'm just gonna pop it on. I'm gonna pick up the tapered brush and I'm picking up more of the So Dark. I'm just gonna blend in. I'm gonna pick up this one, and that color is called Get Off. And then I'm just gonna, oh man, look at that. Wow. Wow, that is a beautiful color. I'm gonna pick up some more So Dark just to blend everything in here on the outer corner. Oh, it's so pretty. I love it. I don't know why people were like totally against this collaboration. By the way, if you all decide that you all want to check these palettes out, I actually saw on Ulta they have it for sale right now. So if you wanted to go ahead and pick it up. And I'm gonna go ahead and place my glitter primer at the bottom. I am going to pick up this color right here, the more burgundy maroon. And that color is called Shakadelica. And I picked it up with a flat shader brush. Oh, that color is pretty too. I'm going to pick up this color. It's called Crystal Ball. Okay, and then I'm just gonna use it kind of like as a topper. Okay, and now I'm just gonna get another shader brush. Color is Sexy Dancer, this one right here. It always happens, you all, every single time. This one is pretty matte. I don't know if I fully like it with this particular look, but that's fine. So I'm going to pick up the brush that I used on the artist, this one right here, and pick up just a little bit and just blend it. I think what I might do, I'm gonna pick up Crystal Ball and I'm gonna put it over here because that matte, I didn't like the way that matte looked. I like it. I think it's pretty. Everything blended in really good, so awesome. And start on the other one. I'll clean everything up, do my brows and all that other stuff in just a bit. We'll go ahead and get started on the purple one. I'm gonna go ahead and start with my transition. I'm gonna pick up the color Alphabet Street, and that's this color right here. Usually I don't record this side because I'm left-handed and it's hard for me to talk and do that and blend. It is all right. You know, I knew that coming into this. I'm gonna pick up a fluffy brush and I'm gonna pick up, this color is called Funk and Roll. This color right here. Okay, I'm just gonna pick up a little bit more, but you see how I stay quiet? Oh, that's terrible because it's a little hard for me to, I feel like I'm struggling. That blend was weird. I don't know if it's me, the brushes, or what, but we got there. Had to build it up. Okay, so now I am going to get a tapered blending brush. Let's see how this one works out. I'm just gonna, it's like nothing is on there. How odd. Let me try again. This one is needing a little bit of finesse also. And it's so weird because I just used the black palette, so like, you know, that I really didn't struggle, but this one for some reason is struggling. Place it down. I mean, I'm getting there, but I feel like I'm doing a lot of work. I'm gonna go ahead and put down some glitter primer. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and place that down. The Raspberry Beret is a shimmer also, so I'm being a little more generous on this side just to help with that shimmer. Maybe it'll work better, I don't know. While that is drying, I'll go ahead and work on my brow highlight. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and pick up When Doves Cry, and that's this color right here, and use that for my brow bone. I'm not gonna make the same mistake and put a matte color. Oh, that is a really pretty color. It has like kind of like a shift, like a shift of the light. Like it's white, but it's coloring on kind of like a purple or a pink. It is so, Now this color I'm impressed by. So far that is the only color I like in this palette. I'm gonna go ahead and pick up the fluffy brush. I'm gonna use the same brush that I used for the second color and just kind of blend that all in over there. Okay, so I am going to pick up, I'm gonna start with the color DMSR, and that is this color right here. And let's see how it lays down on this glitter primer. Oh, it's pretty. I love it. I don't know if y'all can see it. I hope my camera's picking it up. Oh, it's so pretty. That is a pretty color. I like it. Okay, so I am going to go back and pick up some Raspberry Beret on my taper brush, and I'm just gonna, blend it in. In my opinion, it's not like a dark enough color to use only as my outer eye. I gotta work with what it's given me. See, now everything is kind of working and blending together, but it took a while to get there. And now I'm gonna do the bottom, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some of my glitter glue down there. Okay, so for the bottom, I'm gonna use the same brush that I picked up my glitter primer with. I'm gonna pick up the color Indigo Nights. That's this color right here. Okay, and then I'm just gonna tap it under. Oh, might have to clean off that brush a little bit. I don't think I like it. Okay, not the color. I don't like the way it laid down. So I'm just gonna grab another one. I'm gonna put that same color, and I'm gonna clean that up because since I made that mistake with that other brush, it's looking like that. But trust me, I'm gonna get a little pencil brush, and I am going to, I think I need to matte it up a little bit. And I'm gonna pick up the color Computer Blue. And that's this color right here. And then I'm just gonna drag it over. Both eyes are done shadow-wise. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my face and see you everyone. So this is the final look. My final thoughts. The black one, you all saw that it went on like butter. It all blended really well. The gold is so beautiful. The purple one, that one is the one that gave us problems. Purple is my favorite color, and I tend to always gravitate towards purple and black. I was really excited to use the purples. In this one, I didn't like it. It was hard to blend. I had to work a lot to achieve that look. If you are considering on getting these palettes, or if you just want one of the two, I would definitely suggest this one. The purple is just not, it's a beautiful palette, but it just takes a lot more work. A lot of videos that I watch of makeup artists, they say that it's one of the hardest colors to mix, especially when it comes to blending. Sometimes they come out patchy. I just think that it needed more something. I don't know what it is. I mean, if you look at the palette itself, it doesn't really have a deeper shade to give you any type of depth to your eye look. Out of the two, I definitely think this one won the battle. I really enjoyed this one. It went on smooth. I really wish that this collection or this collaboration got more positive comments. A lot of the comments that I saw when they announced it on Instagram or on TikTok, there weren't a lot of videos that I saw that reviewed these palettes, but the few that I did, when they would do like purchase or pass or will I buy, I heard very few positives. And to each their own. Everybody has an opinion. I really did enjoy it. I mean, I enjoyed both of them, but this one definitely wins. Let me know what you think of the new series. I definitely want to do something like that, continue making videos for this series. I kind of wanted to do this series with the indie brands, but then at the same time I want to keep the review series. I don't know. We'll see how it all works out. Thank you so much. Please consider hitting the like button and consider subscribing. I should be able to consistently put out videos again. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. You can find me on TikTok. I do have a Twitter, but I don't really post anything on Twitter. I usually just catch up on current events, to be honest with you. So you can, I would appreciate it. It'll be there if you want. Thank you so much for stopping again today, and I'll see y'all in the next one.